Blessed good day, guys. Blessed good day. I'm gonna start my cooking into my cooking journey. But first, we have to give God thanks for waking us up and give Him the glory, give Him the praises. Guys, I'm gonna journey into my journey, and you know what I'm cooking today? Look at that. I'm gonna do some jerk oven chicken leg. Some oven jerk chicken leg. That is it. See that is it right there. And I'm gonna do some escovitch fish. There's not much I'm doing today, guys. Not much I'm doing. I'm just gonna start my journey. And for veggies, I'm gonna do some fresh veggies. Some fresh veggies. So Miss Marie, no color green. Vanilla, no color green. Okay, no color green at all. So I'm gonna start my journey into my journey. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click that post notification bell. That's when I upload video, you all get it. Guys, I look at what they on my shirt, But anyways, guys, I'm gonna start my journey into my journey. So it's an inside outside situation. I'm gonna get my chicken, my jerk chicken leg in the oven. I'm gonna do it inside the kitchen. I'm gonna do it as an oven jerk chicken leg. So stay tuned, guys. Not go nowhere. I'll be right back. Yes, guys, this is the jerk chicken. I just put them in the pan in my baking thing. See that? Jerk turn up. I'm gonna put onion on them to well season them, guys. Jerk sauce, I have to use gloves, put them in the car. The jerk thing go already. I don't know if I can do this. I tell you guys, that I go on. I'm going to put these in the oven. Wonder so. I wonder if I should have covered it first, That I should have do, guys, what? Stay tuned, guys, I'll be right. Yes, guys, see, cover them. They are in the oven, and the oven is on 430. So I'm gonna let those stay in there and do their thing. Then I'll come back and check on them. But you have to make it cook first and do the thing before you take off the thing there fight before you take off the what you call it, the file paper. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go outside, and guys, for some yellow rice, I go cook yellow rice, plain yellow rice. I go cook with the jerk chicken and the escovitch fish. That's it. I not do no rice and peas. I not go cook either green pigeon peas or red peas, but I say no. Let me do some plain yellow rice today. So stay tuned, guys. So when I go outside, y'all see what going on there. So with the fish, not going away, because what going in the kitchen cooking. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, look at this. This is the yellow rice. I see that. Look at it. And season well cut up in them. We have scallion, we have thyme, we have oregano. Cut up in there. Yeah, man. I put thing and make my yellow rice. You see that, guys? Yeah, man, that I go on. Stay tuned, guys. I go outside now. And I go thing. Cover this. Because I go and cook. So I go outside. So stay tuned for see what I go on out and do. Yes, guys, see, the pot look like it hot, so I have one pepper. I have my scotch bonnet there, and see it there. Look at that. I drop him in the pot, see? You see that, guys? Melon. thing. Cut it a little bit hotter in the water. Let's do this. That's what I'm going to put some in there already, guys. The pepper trick my thing said hot. But you come up the stove a little bit more if you get extra hot. So that's what I'm going to say. I get 4 of them in there already. So now watch my things. I'm going to do the thing, guys. Stay tuned. I don't know, guys, look out this one, see? So my garden there, I'm going to root up a lot of things out the last week. See that? I'm ready to plant. Next month, I'm going to start planting. Some of the fever grass and some of the leaf I like not to root in it. I don't easy to catch, guys. You see that? You see that? That's a one, see? Back to the pot now. See that, guys? Stay tuned, guys. I'm going away. I got a one in a Deb's kitchen. I'm going to go back inside. I'm going to check on the oven burnt chicken. So when we go inside, you are going to see what I got. Guys, look at that. You see that? Come on. You see how them are? Watch me fish. Watch me fish. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. You see all the pepper seeds up out of this, so you know, so they're nice. Then I put the first in the fish. Of pepper. So that I'm going to reach inside it, guys. And watch the fish, the fish then burn up. And then I burn up fish, and that I go on. So stay tuned. See what I go on next, yeah. And the pepper still around, so I go on with himself. Yeah, man, I got to go and stay tuned, guys. I'm going nowhere. I'm seeing inside in the kitchen inside. Guys, may have 3 more coming up. Check the big one here now. Check out the big one here, guys. Daddy, that. So on the bottom. The difference between you have to peel them and gut them, but it's worth it. Because a fresh fish, you know? And not fresh cod, wild cod, fresh cod. You know, you see that on the big, that's a one that you know. You know, in big moon. That's a one. So that's the last set. So we try this one there. We will stop count the fish then. Stop it. Not count the fish then. Look at that, guys. You want to count them from. You see that? Yeah. Yes, guys, you see that? I got to go on in a bed kitchen. Stay tuned, guys. Not going nowhere. I will be going inside now. Definitely this time. Let's see what I want with my chicken and with my rice. So stay tuned for that. Guys, look at my rice. Look at my yellow rice. It just sucked down, so I go. You know, I go. You know? Stir him up. Mix up everything. Yeah, man, and the yellow rice, this and that one. Look at that, guys. Tell me if this not look good. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, guys. This not look good. Yeah, man, this look good, man. Well seasoned, you know. Yeah, man. Skilly and thyme everything. Talk to me nice. Look at that. Look at that. You see that look good, guys? Yeah, man, I have to go on in the next kitchen. Yeah, man, I can check for the rice and chicken. I go check on next. But stay tuned, guys. Give me a few minutes. Let me do what I do right there. So wash out my bowl and then I come back and make us see the chicken and that one. Guys, look at that. It's coming on. Well, I just took the file paper off. Look at that. Yeah. I just have to leave it after. You believe me, so the chicken ain't cook? You just have to make them stir. in there. You know, look at that. That's my jerk chicken, oven jerk chicken. Soft, alright, look at that. You know, and we just have put in there now, make the ketchup little color, and then we're good to go. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the stove. Let the stove go on with himself. So stay tuned, guys. I that I'm going in a Deb's kitchen for my jerk. My oven jerk chicken legs. Look at that. Yeah, man. Everything are going good. It come on good. Look at that, guys. You know that is for my fish. You see that? Yeah, man. I scotch about it, onion and pimento. Usually I put carrot, but I didn't put none this time. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Oven jerk chicken leg. Yeah, man. That are going in a Deb's kitchen, guys. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Guys, me notice you now watch up a video them, you know. Me notice you now watch the video them the way you used to watch them. Guys, you know, watch the video them now, share up the video them now, man. Guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. And thanks to all my loyal subscribers, my loyal viewers. I appreciate you all. And it's a lot of blessing. I appreciate you guys. So stay tuned, guys. Not gonna wait, and that are going in a Deb's kitchen. Yes, guys, this is the final touch of my Sunday dinner. Look at that, guys. Jesus, look at that. I'm giving a tour before me tell you again. Look at that. This is oven jerk chicken leg, guys. This is a taste piece of one. Hey, bad. Look at that. See that, guys? Oven jerk chicken leg. Look at that. See my sorrel drink. Hey, look at that. See? Sorrel drink. Fresh veggies mix. So we got spinach and some other mixed veggies. Look at this. A few little escovitch fish. It have one with himself. You see that, guys? Yeah, man. Some yellow rice. Hey, can't talk to me now, guys. Look at that. Some yellow rice. Yeah, man. Yellow rice, I'll do it today. Look at that. See that? Yeah, man. That's a guan, man. That's a guan in a Deb's kitchen, guys. I'm so grateful that God gave me the strength to stand up and make my dinner. Look at that. Yeah. See that? Yeah, that's a going in a Deb's kitchen. Yes, man. My oven jerk, chicken leg, sorrel, mixed veggie, yellow rice, and the escovitch fish. Look how nice that look. You see that? Yeah, man, that's a going in a Deb's kitchen. So, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click that post notification bell. That's when I upload video. You all get it. And when you click on that notification, make sure you press all, so whenever I upload video you all get it. See that, guys? Yeah, man. And always remember, don't forget to pray. Prayer changes everything. Remember, if you ain't got nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all, because God is love, and you know Him love all of us, no matter how we stay or who we are. He loves all of us. So, guys, please stay blessed. Stay positive until I see you all in another video. Bye.